Hey everybody, this is Johnny Seville here from Acorn Wealth Corp, and this is your midday update. Well, the S&P 500 is certainly seeing a little bit of trouble here. The interesting thing right now is that the Russell 2000 is diverging quite sharply. So IWM, the ETF for the Russell 2000, has been dropping while the S&P 500 is going up. So we're starting to see the flow out of the small cap stocks, or selective small cap stocks I should say, and that's usually a leading indicator for markets to start turning. The Russell 2000 basically is the most elastic kind of index. So it goes up the fastest and it goes down the fastest. It's usually the first to respond in both ways. So you usually get the Russell moving first ahead of the, say for example, the S&P 500. Now, so the fact that it's happening is a warning sign. And if you look at a lot of stocks, there's been a lot of weakness. And as we pointed out in our Tuesday night trading room, there's been more stocks dropping by significant numbers than stocks going up by significant numbers, and that's also telling you that the bottom is starting to get quite weak. So be very careful. July 31st is the end of the bullish open range. So right now the market is kind of oscillating back and forth. It's holding that bullish open range, but just only poking its head through that upward channel that we've been talking about for the last little while. The fact that it's poking its head through and rolling over is potentially a head and shoulders. Now we're still going to wait for confirmation on that, but right now it certainly is a time to be cautious and to be selecting your stocks very carefully. Some of the shorts that we've been identifying in terms of the ones with the insider trading setups, where there's a heavy insider selling, potentially weak fundamentals going on as well, those are doing really well. I mean, take a look at TWOU, that's breaking down nicely today. ADSK breaking down through its head and shoulders nicely, and TTI also doing, that's TTI, also doing really well. I mean, there are three examples of some of those short setups that have been dropping while the market's been going up. So again, it's a stock picker's market, and so just take a look at those, and again, stay safe, have a great weekend, and if you're not a member of Acorn Wealth Services, you should be. Drop us an email at info@acornwealthcorp.com to enroll in daily alerts just like this. Take care and have a great weekend. Happy trading.